Hey, this is Jake with Avi-on. Let us talk about wall stations. Select the navigation icon in the top left and choose Controllers. Let's talk about controllers before we move on. Now you could say we have control of each light, so there are controllers in every light fixture. You wouldn't be wrong with that statement. In the Avi-on environment, we call the hardware in each light a device. A controller is a piece of hardware that controls a device. For example, a wall station or an occupancy sensor can control a device. A controller can turn on a single light or a group of lights. Select the plus icon to add a controller. This brings us to the Add a Device page. The device we want to add is the battery-powered wall unit we call a scene controller. This device is battery-powered, so we need to wake it up. Once awake, it shows itself available to be added. Select it and hit Add. While this is adding, I want to tell you about this product. It comes in an AC version and a battery version. With the battery version, the batteries last up to 10 years. Once added, you will see its settings page. Rename the scene controller to what room it's going to be in. There are two kinds of wall stations. One is the scene controller with standard 1 through 4 buttons, and the other is the dimming wall station with percentage buttons. I have a dimming wall station. Now I could program each button individually to do different percentages, but that takes too long. There is a simpler way. Select the preset mode. This now changes the app to show the percentage that each button will send to the device or group. Let me show you how easy it is to configure. The second line down has preset association. Select Tap to configure. You can select a single device or a group. I am going to select a group and select Save. Remember, this is a battery-powered device, so we need to wake it up. The first wake up programs a few buttons, and then it will ask us to wake it up again to program the rest of the buttons. The programming is complete. Now, a bit of a note. Pressing the 50% on the app screen will not do anything. To test, use the wall station. Selecting the back button will take us back to the controllers page where we can see the dimming wall station we added and what it is controlling. And that's how easy it is to add and configure a wall station.